I'm Rachel, and this is 1 Minute History. And today we're going to be talking about Eggs Benedict. Classically made with hollandaise sauce, Canadian bacon, English muffin, and poached eggs. Eggs Benedict originated in New York City in the Golden Age, when all the wealthy people got stir-crazy and tired of being in their fabulous homes and wanted to get out and join those everyday people, staying out late, sleeping in late, and most importantly, eating eggs past 10 a.m. That's right, I'm talking about brunch. A meal that would become a true staple in a night owl's life. And of course, the menu generally includes Eggs Benedict. I'm Rachel, and this is 1 Minute History.